So I spent 3000 rupees for this box. Buckle up your seatbelt and let's get started. Hello guys, I am Balmiki from Kolkata, a model car collector and a car enthusiast. And in this video, I will unbox this box. I have previously said that I have spent 3000 rupees for this. So let's quickly cut the box. Okay, so let's take it out. Tantana, here it is. It's an old bubble wrapped box. So let's quickly take the bubble wrap out and let's see what is that. So this is the beauty. This is the Tata Prima truck by Norev. The scale is 1/43 and here it is mentioned all the features of the scale model, and here it's beautifully crafted, the poster design that has been printed on the box, as well as it comes in a beautiful box packaging and it comes in an acrylic box. So let's quickly take that out. I will link the product in the description so that you can also check that out. The product is available in scalersin.com. You can check that out. So let's take it out. I have already collected all the Tata 1/43 merchandise. You can check the video that is on the channel. So here it is. Oh my goodness. And I want to mention I am a student collector, and this is the most expensive scale model I have ever spent for a single model. So this is the truck. As you can see, it's really beautiful. It's just beautiful. So okay, and oh my god, this is not a toy, guys. Obviously this is not a toy. This is a proper scale model. If you are a scale model collector, then this is the perfect model for you. And if you are a Tata lover, for me, so this is the perfect scale model for you. So here's some screws. I will unscrew these in just a moment. So here our scale model comes. Oh my goodness, see at the detailing. Oh god, this is a beautiful scale model. So this will cost you around 3000 rupees. Yeah, that's a very expensive model for a 1/43 model, but if you are proper die-cast collector, so this model is just appropriate for you. And the cabin is also tilted, so I can, okay, just like this the cabin tilts. So this is a proper scale model. This is a proper scale model. I am mentioning it again and again. I'm just in love with this model, and this is a perfect collectible. So this is just amazing. This is just amazing. I want to thank scalesartsn.com as well as Proful Sherke, who has provided me this model in such a great price. So catch up you in the next video.